Okay guys, this is basically part 2 of a previous video where I explained the upgrades I've done. I'm running the AS150 power plugs here, and then what I've also done to run the system cooler, I've also got a slot in the front of the cockpit now. I'm be running just with this cover closed over. It's not taped up. The boat's no longer watertight. Everything is waterproof though. We all know that if an outboard flips, it dunks. ESC is waterproof, the receiver is waterproof, servo is waterproof, the lipo is waterproof, and the terminals are sealed. So if we do flip the boat, it's not a problem. But the mission here is to get airflow through the fuselage out of this exhaust here, and believing and understanding, and now hopefully proving, that that'll run an even cooler system. And why not use the opportunity of air cooling the entire system as well as water cooling it, just to make the system more efficient. We know that heat is the enemy of an efficient system, so that if we can run our battery cooler, we can run our wires cooler, plugs, ESC cooler, and even our motor, it would just be a better setup. Today is very windy outside. I'm going to have to drive controlled, but that's what it's all about, pushing these boats to the limit under the conditions they're at. So let's go take it for a run on the water and bring it back and see what the temps look like. Oh, very gusty out here. This is you can see the wind's howling. Actually blow the boat off the water without even running it. Wind getting under the sails there. This is what's so exciting about running a tunnel hull, is you got to be on the throttle. Know when you can put the power on. And the wind's coming. Okay. So that was just a quick run. Got a bit windy out there. Battery's 20 degrees. These plugs in their 20s, ESC 32, motor 29, 27. And granted, I wasn't pushing it hard at all, so I mean this definitely isn't an achievement of any sorts, but just rather an indication that there is some cooling here. I can tell you that much. There is some extra cooling here, eh? Lekker.